Nervous system. The nervous system is the body's complex network of nerves and nerve cells that transmits messages throughout the body. It is responsible for everything we do, from thinking and feeling to moving and breathing. The nervous system can be divided into two main parts. Part of the nervous system. Central nervous system (CNS) integrates sensory information, controls thought and movement. Peripheral nervous system (PNS) relays information between the CNS and the rest of the body. Somatic nervous system part of PNS controls voluntary muscles. Central nervous system (CNS). The CNS is the control center of the nervous system. It is made up of the brain and spinal cord. The brain is the most complex organ in the body and is responsible for thought, memory, learning, emotion, and sensory perception. The spinal cord is a long, thin bundle of nerves that connects the brain to the rest of the body. It carries messages between the brain and the muscles, skin, and other organ. Peripheral nervous system (PNS). The PNS is a network of nerves that connects the CNS to the rest of the body. It is divided into two parts: the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system controls the voluntary muscles, such as those that allow us to move our arms and legs. The autonomic nervous system controls the involuntary muscles, such as those that control our heart rate, digestion, and respiration. Somatic nervous system part of PNS. The somatic nervous system is a subdivision of the peripheral nervous system that stretches throughout nearly every part of your body. The nerves in this system deliver information from your senses to your brain. They also carry commands from your brain to your muscles so you can move around. Structure. The somatic nervous system is made up of two main types of nerves: sensory neurons and motor neurons. And sensory neurons carry information about the environment, such as touch, temperature, and pain, from the skin, muscles, and other organs to the central nervous system. Motor neurons carry signals from the central nervous system to the muscles, telling them to contract or relax. Function. The main function of the somatic nervous system is to control voluntary movements. This includes everything from picking up a cup of coffee to running a marathon. The somatic nervous system also plays a role in reflexes, which are automatic responses to stimuli that don't involve conscious thought. For example, if you touch a hot stove, you will reflexively pull your hand away before you even have time to think about it. The somatic nervous system is only responsible for controlling skeletal muscles, which are muscles that are attached to bones. Smooth muscles and cardiac muscles, which are found in organs like the heart and stomach, are controlled by the autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system is constantly active, even when we are sleeping. This is because it is responsible for activities such as breathing and maintaining posture. Damage to the somatic nervous system can lead to paralysis, weakness, or loss of sensation in the affected area.